Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can create an entire video using a single text prompt. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your preferred browser on your PC. I have my Opera GX browser opened on my PC. Now on the search box at the top of your screen, simply type Invideo AI. And you'll be able to see on the first link, there's www.invideo.io. Click on it. This will redirect you to this page. Now, if you already have created an account with invideo.io, simply go ahead and click on the login button that appears on the top right corner of this page. However, if you haven't signed up yet, you can click on the sign up button that appears on the top right corner beside the login button. Now you can join with Google or create an account separately. I'm gonna go ahead and join with Google. This will open a new window where you'll be requested to enter your Gmail address. Go ahead and do that. After that, click on Next. Enter your password for your Google account. After that, click on Next again. Now you should be logged into your Invideo AI account. Go ahead and select how you discovered Invideo AI. If you're just discovering now, go ahead and select YouTube and click on Continue. Over here, simply select the field that you're using this AI for. If it's filmmaking and documentaries, click on it. If it's for academic and research, click on it. So if it's any of these, simply click on the option and click on Continue. Now you can customize your username, and then you can name your workspace for your first ever Invideo. After that, proceed by clicking on Continue. Now over here, it is absolutely simple. You're gonna go ahead and select a workflow. It's a drop-down menu. Simply click on it. Now you can choose from any of these categories that best explains why you're creating this video. If you were creating for YouTube Shorts, click on it. If you're simply just script to video, click on it. Or if you just want to select YouTube Shorts, you'll be given a window such as this. You'll simply enter the details of what the short should be about. Type the best food in the world. You can select the gender for this video. If you want a female, you can select a female. There's different accents. You can customize the voice to young British voice. If you want to show the subtitles, click on Show. Now iStock is just stock photos that'll be used in the video. So if you want any of these options, simply click on it and click on Continue. After you've done that, simply click on the Generate a Video button. And now the Invideo AI will do its magic. It will simply generate a complete video script, create scenes, add voiceovers, and incorporate relevant images and video clips to the text that you've provided or the prompt that you've provided to this AI. It might take a while, so you need to be patient. Click on Continue. However, if you want to make edits to this prompt, you can do that as well by clicking on Edit Prompt, or else simply click on Continue. As you can see, my video has been created. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this window, increase the volume a bit, and play this video for you.
Crisp on the outside, soft on the inside, that's the charm of a French baguette. Welcome to our culinary tour. In 60 seconds, we'll whisk you around the world, one bite at a time. First stop, Italy.
As you can see, my video for the best food in the world has been created. If you want to edit it out, there's an edit button that appears on the bottom of your screen. As you can see, when I click on edit, this window will pop up, and in this window you can see the script that was created for this video. If you want to edit a certain part of the script, you can do so as well. You can also upload your own media by clicking on the upload media option. I can go ahead and browse on my PC's files as well by clicking on the Show All Files button. You can also search through multiple stock videos, however, that includes the premium stocks, which is a paid version of this AI. If you are satisfied with this video, you can go ahead and click on Export and click on Export Video. You can select the resolution up to 1080p. If you do not want watermarks, that requires an upgrade to a paid plan. So the watermarks for the stock videos will show up. And these are the features that you can get for an unpaid version. To create a video using a single text, simply click on continue. This video will be exported. It might take a while to export this video. Once your video has been successfully exported, you'll be able to see that the download button at the bottom of this page is enabled. Simply click on it. As you can see, the video is being downloaded and you can post it anywhere you'd like once it has been downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, you can go ahead and visit the folder. As you can see, this video has been downloaded and I can simply post it anywhere I'd like. Since I selected YouTube Shorts option, it also provides me with a description for this video. I can simply copy it and paste it on YouTube, and this is how you can create an entire video with just a single sentence prompt. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.